I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting network and device permissions ready. Make sure both laptop and display are on the same Wi-Fi network. This lets discovery work. On Windows, open Connect or Project Settings. On Mac OS, enable AirPlay in menu bar. Once done, power the TV and choose the input for the streaming device. This avoids delays. If using a dongle or smart TV, enable its screen sharing mode now. Doing these steps first prevents common pairing failures and speeds the rest of the process. Now connect. Open your laptop's cast or project controls and scan the list of available displays. Select the correct device name. You want to avoid similar names. Next, pick Duplicate to mirror exactly or Extend for a second screen. Choose resolution that matches the TV to reduce scaling artifacts. Make sure to accept any permission prompts on the TV or dongle and enter a PIN if shown. These choices control image quality and latency, so adjust them as needed for video or presentations. Finish by verifying audio output and visual fit. Switch sound to the TV in sound settings and tweak display scaling if windows look off. For smoother playback, close unneeded apps and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to lower interference. Once done, test with a short video or slide deck. If you run into problems, restart the laptop and display, then re-attempt pairing. Also check firewall or antivirus rules that may block discovery. That single restart often clears transient network or service issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.